Matthew East here with you. This is the June 7th edition, Monday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. We had a very warm and steamy weekend across our entire region as we went through the just completed weekend. But if you've been wanting a break from the heat and the humidity, the good news is it has arrived today. And we're going to be looking at much lower levels of humidity and heat today and tomorrow. In fact, across the North Carolina Piedmont, we're only talking lower 80s for highs in a lot of spots today and tomorrow, at most mid-80s. And instead of dew point temperatures in the lower 70s, we're looking at low to mid-50s for dew points. And it will be noticeably less humid, much more comfortable out there as we go throughout the course of the next couple of days, today and tomorrow. Now, let me look back. First of all, I want to show you the storm reports. This was the storm report data from Saturday and Saturday night. Just a tragic, severe weather day, beginning in Iowa, continuing there across Illinois, Indiana, into Ohio and southern Michigan. That was the corridor of really the most significant severe weather, and it was a really, really bad situation for our friends there off to our north and west. A lot of pretty horrific stories coming out of that area. Some, of course, fatalities with that. Just a really tragic situation over the weekend off to our north. All pretty quiet over the eastern part of the country as I'm cutting this video. Now, you do have a pretty nasty line of storms there into Kansas, pushing into Oklahoma. Severe thunderstorm watches up there and a number of severe thunderstorm warnings. Again, this is during the 5 a.m. hour on Monday morning. But I want to show you this. I've been showing this map here most of the past several editions of the video. And I want to show you this morning. Here come those lower dew point temperatures. This is the 60-degree dew point line. This is the 55-degree dew point line, 50-degree dew point line. And we're going to get these 50s in place for dew points all across our region. And that will make all of the difference in the world in terms of how it feels out there. Not only that, we're not going to be talking about 90 or so for highs. We're going to be talking about low to mid-80s the next couple of days. So a good amount of sunshine today, lower humidity, lower heat, all together. Great-looking Monday, and really Tuesday still looks pretty good as well, although there'll be a little bit more cloud cover Tuesday, but still looking pretty good. But as we go out to Wednesday, this is how we start off, Wednesday morning at 8 a.m., and we're going to have to watch. Looks like there'll be an MCS, probably cruise just to the north of North Carolina, but it could be close enough that late Tuesday night or Wednesday morning we'll have to watch to see if that MCS tries to scrape our region. But either way, it looks like a cold front will approach later Wednesday, so I'm going to mention the chance for a few thunderstorms back into the forecast Wednesday night, and then that front will slowly press through Thursday, depending on how quickly that front moves. That will determine if the rain chances hang around for Thursday. I think the front at this point is slow enough that there'll be at least some storms across the region on Thursday. But then on Friday here, looks like the front will probably stall out somewhere right around here. And that means Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, southern South Carolina is still seeing the scattered thunderstorm chance, but a good chunk of North Carolina dry on Friday and probably Saturday as well. And we ratchet up the heat a bit as well. Looks like by Saturday we'll be back up toward the lower 90s for highs again. And then on Sunday, the next system beginning to approach. So I've mentioned on Sunday and Monday more chances for some scattered storms. Quick peek across the Atlantic Basin, everything very quiet. No sign of any tropical activity here over the next couple of days. Oh, lost the microphone there. There we go. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Monday, and God bless.